Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best appliance slider is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets. Imagine effortlessly sliding your heavy stand mixer or blender across the countertop without straining your back or risking scratches. Today, we're diving deep into the world of countertop appliance sliders, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. Goldlion Appliance Sliding Tray. Tired of struggling with heavy appliances? This sliding tray makes moving them a breeze. It's designed to make your life easier. With a generous 16.1-inch width and 11.7-inch depth, this tray fits a variety of appliances. It's perfect for your Ninja Footy, Instant Pot, and more. The tray's low height ensures it fits comfortably under your cabinets. It provides ample space for your appliances to move freely. Unlike other trays, this one features a durable silicone pad. It's built to last and easy to clean, ensuring your appliances stay secure. Simply place your appliance on the tray and use the lever to slide it. No more scratches or countertop hassles. It's that simple. What we like? This tray features a convenient lever control, making moving appliances effortless. Its extra-large surface accommodates various appliances, and the durable non-slip pad ensures stability. If you have multiple large appliances and want easy maneuverability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This slider allows me to pull the air fryer forward to use and push it back afterwards. It glides smoothly on my countertop and doesn't drag. Use this product from my Keurig to make it easier to pull out and fill the back water chamber. Perfect for the job. Now, with this new Goldlion tray I can move the footy closer and it stays put until I'm ready to slide it back against the wall. What a great purchase. I highly recommend it to anybody who has a heavy appliance that stays out on the countertop. Number 4. Nifty Black Rolling Tray. Tired of lifting heavy appliances? This tray is designed to store your coffee maker, mixer, and more. It keeps everything in one convenient place on your countertop. The rolling system makes it easy to move the tray. Simply press the lever to slide it forward and back, especially useful under cabinets. With its sleek black finish, it fits perfectly in any kitchen. It saves space and keeps your countertop organized, eliminating clutter. The tray features a non-slip pad to secure your appliances. The usable surface is 13.2 inch long and 9.5 wide, with overall dimensions of 10.25 inches by 15.5 inches by 1 inch. Nifty Solutions provides practical, high-quality products. This accessory is built to last, easy to clean, and designed to solve your kitchen storage problems. What we like? The integrated rolling system makes it easy to slide appliances in and out from under cabinets. Its compact design helps to save counter space, and the non-slip pad keeps your appliances secure. If you are looking for a space-saving solution with easy access to your appliances, this is the one. What people say. It slides smoothly. I use this under my KitchenAid mixer, and I love it. Makes the heavy mixer so easy to access from under the upper cupboard. I just roll it out when I need it and roll it back out of the way when I'm done. No more pushing, pulling, or lifting. This tray makes it so much easier. There is a little lever on the front and you just push it down, and continue to keep pushing down, and pull the tray forward. Then push the lever down again when you want to slide it backward. It is easy and works great. Number 3. Aieve Appliance Sliders for Kitchen Appliances. These appliance sliders are easy to install. Simply stick them around the bottom of your appliance or attach them to a wooden board. After installation, let it sit for 14 hours for the best adhesion. The Aieve sliders easily bear heavy appliances. They prevent scratches on your countertops, extending the life of both. It makes it easy to move and save counter space. Unlike trays, this slider won't damage pulleys and waste space. Compared to mats, it's cost-effective and suitable for any appliance with its DIY feature. Made of PTFE, Teflon, with a self-adhesive pad, it's smooth and easy to move. It works well on wood, tile, marble, cloth mats, or towels. It allows the appliance to slide easily without leaving marks. These durable, self-adhesive sliders work on various appliances. Use them on air fryers, coffee makers, blenders, and more. It can also be used on other items to facilitate movement without damaging the floor. What we like? These appliance sliders are easy to DIY and can be attached to almost any appliance. They help save space by allowing you to easily move appliances, and they're cost-effective. If you like a customizable and affordable solution to move your appliances, you should consider this. What people say. They quickly stick on the bottom and have worked perfectly without adding bulk or another thing to my counter while allowing me to easily move it. It helps keep scratches from appliances sliding across the counter. Works great. I use the slides under my dual flex brew coffee pot. The pot is heavy. I slide it out to put coffee grounds and water in. It slides so easily. I am glad I bought them. Number 2. Ibyx sliding tray for kitchen appliances. Tired of struggling with heavy appliances? This tray allows you to effortlessly slide your coffee maker or air fryer. It makes reorganizing your kitchen a breeze. Available in multiple sizes, it's designed to fit various appliances. Whether it's a small toaster or a large air fryer, this tray has you covered. Reorganize your kitchen in style without damaging your countertops. This tray allows you to easily access appliances from under the cabinet, saving space and time. Made with environmentally friendly bamboo and quiet rubber wheels, this tray is a must-have kitchen accessory. It's built to last and designed for your convenience. Designed in Vancouver, Canada, this tray is made with high-grade materials. It's built to protect your countertop and provide lasting quality. What we like. This tray offers full countertop motion, allowing you to easily slide appliances. It comes in multiple sizes to fit your needs, and its elegant design complements any kitchen. If you want a stylish and versatile tray for your kitchen appliances, this is a great option. What people say. The tray is sturdy, well-made, blends in perfectly with the kitchen, easy to clean. The 13x10.5 tray holds a coffee maker, coffee bean grinder and a coffee canister. I no longer worry about scratching the countertop as the tray slides easily and quietly and everything fits on one tray. This sliding tray is well designed and looks very nice. It's solid and heavy, which was a pleasant surprise, but not bulky. The inset caster wool design provides a low profile while maintaining a very smooth slide. The wood is beautiful and I love the slightly inset handle. I also appreciate that they offer it in multiple sizes, styles, and colors so you can order just the right one for your appliance and kitchen aesthetic. It makes managing the coffee maker so much easier because you can store it back on the counter and when you want to use it the tray slides out on rollers effortlessly. Number 1. SICHEER Appliance Sliding Tray. Tired of struggling with heavy appliances? This sliding tray makes moving them a breeze. It's designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. Simply place your appliance on the tray and use the lever to slide it. No more scratches on your countertop. It's that simple. With a height of only 0.9 inches, it fits easily under your cabinets. This tray provides enough space for your appliances to move freely. The tray's extra-large surface accommodates various appliances. It works with many popular brands, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Unlike other trays, this one features a durable silicone pad. This ensures your appliances stay secure and is easy to clean. What we like. This tray features easy lever control for effortless appliance movement. It has an extra-large surface to accommodate various appliances, and its low height ensures it fits under most cabinets. If you are looking for a tray that combines ease of use with a large surface area, this is the one for you. What people say. The slider works great and makes it easy to move my heavy appliances. The design is perfect for my needs and fits well under my appliances. It is very easy to use and glides smoothly across the countertop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.